Check, how did we come up doon sa info na Roblox again yung naging avenue para ma-radicalize itong bata? Nakita ba natin, sir, yung initial na trail ng pag-uusap nila through Roblox?
So far, may witnesses na nakita siya naglalaro niyan. Pero wala pa kaming, hindi pa tapos ang forensic examination ng kanyang gadgets. So far, we would call it third hand ang nagsabi na gumagamit siya ron. But, from the pattern, yung pattern na ginagamit niya na naka-live video feed tapos nilagay niya doon sa letthemdie.com, parang na-radicalize talaga yung bata. The child, according to reports, was a very exceptional student. Number 1 in his class. So, never had behavioral problems. So, we are going to go through all of his gadgets para ma-ascertain namin na talagang ginamit niya yung Roblox para dito.